In the beginning, there were only dinosaurs and Jesus. And stem cells. Now today we have the Stem Cell Warehouse. Here at the Stem Cell Warehouse, we use stem cells to cure people of a bunch of stuff. Are you a burn victim? I'm a burn victim! Well, we can fix that. At the Stem Cell Warehouse, we create cells, harvest cells, sell cells, fix cells, break cells, do other stuff with cells, other things.
Whoa, Ragnarok. Something as promising as this could definitely fix your tail right up. How do you even get your tail detached anyway, buddy?
Sarge! Why are you just standing there looking off into space? Sarge!
Well, hey there, kid. What are you doing around here for? You seem as if you're lost.
Oh, no, sir. I'm here so that I can get some special stuff for a friend.
Oh, well, I don't know exactly where you can get this special stuff, but maybe there's an employee out back who maybe knows a guy that can sell you... Wait. How old are you? What's your name, kid?
It's Jeffrey, and I don't think we're on the same page here. Who are you, anyways?
The name is Barry. Then what are you going on about?
I'm talking stem cells for my little buddy on my shoulder.
Oh, then step right this way into my fine establishment.
Wait, you established this finest of establishments?
Why, yes, indeed. I very well established this pristine establishment of establishments.
Well, that's pretty cool. What should I do, Barry? Should I help him or let him be his own independent person? You know, I can never win at these type of things, Barry.
Just let it be, Jeffrey.
Here, take a seat, Jeffrey. Alright, Jeffrey. So stem cells are undifferentiated cells that can become whatever kind of cell they want to be. Stem cells come from embryos formed during the blastocyst phase of embryological development and adult tissue. Both types are generally characterized by their potency, or potential to differentiate into different cell types.
What's an embryo, Barry?
Well, an embryo is like a very little person in a little sack. So we extract the embryo's soul and take its stem cells.
I don't know if this harvesting of embryos is right, Barry. This whole idea of extraction kind of freaks me out.
Jeffrey.
In 1908, Alexander Maximov, a renowned Russian histologist, coined the term stem cells to denote the existence of hematopoietic stem cells. It wasn't until about 60 years later when Canadian scientists James E. Till and Ernest A. McCulloch discovered the self-renewing cells in the bone marrow of a mouse. This discovery started the stem cell fever of '68, when scientists from all over started researching stem cells. Then, in 1978, hematopoietic stem cells were retrieved from the human cord cells, and in the year 1981, scientists Martin Evans, Matthew Kaufman, and Gail R. Martin derived embryonic stem cells from the inner mass of blastocysts of a mouse. The human embryonic stem cells were derived in 1998 by James Thompson and friends at the University of Wisconsin-Madison.
Hey, what's happening? I wanted to learn more about the magic of stem cells.
Oh, okay, alright. I can get someone to fix this. Hey, Gary, the projector's broke again!
My leg!
Alright, Jeffrey, just, help me out here. I've got some friends who could help with this. Hey guys, why ain't you singing?
We don't do that no more, Barry. Not since last time.
Okay, well, that's not working anytime soon. Let's go ahead and continue the tour.
Oh no! But the knowledge!
It's fine, we'll cover most of that in the next room.
What's in the next room?
You'll see.
Hey, why is this hallway so big?
It's not, you're just small.
Whoa! This is amazing, Barry. Everything looks so neat and shiny. This thing right here looks like it can be good enough to eat. This tastes like chocolate.
Don't eat that. Now, Jeffrey, let's talk about the uses of these stem cells. Drugs! They can help test drugs. New medications could be tested for safety on differentiated cells generated from human pluripotent cell lines. Other cell types are used like this, like cancer cells with anti-tumor drugs. The pluripotency of these stem cells would allow testing in a wider range of cell types. When they test the drugs, the conditions must be exactly the same for all the drugs. Precisely controlling the differentiation of stem cells will let these conditions be the same. Current knowledge of the signals controlling differentiation falls short of being able to mimic these conditions precisely to generate pure populations of differentiated cells for each drug being tested. Perhaps the most important potential application of human stem cells is the generation of cells and tissues that could be used for cell-based therapies. Organs are important, aren't they, Jeffrey? Well, people with busted ones usually get a nice fellow to donate a healthy one to them. The problem is, not everyone is that nice. There's a lot of people who need organs, Jeffrey, and a lot of them can't get them. Stem cells can fix up messed up organs or tissue with its magical pluripotent properties by growing up to be muscle cells, skin cells, or whatever. They can cure things like Alzheimer's disease, spinal cord injury, stroke, heart disease, diabetes, osteoarthritis, rheumatic arthritis, and burns. Have you ever had second-degree burns all over your epidermis, Jeffrey? It's not fun, Jeffrey. Having your nerves destroyed by thermal energy isn't a very good experience. I'm a burn victim!
Why was that human being on fire, Barry? How could you just go on and do something like that?
It's all good, Jeffrey. He can be fixed up in a jiffy thanks to the power of stem cells.
If all this is possible, Barry, why haven't we been funding this for the past couple of years?
Well, Jeffrey, some people like to be negative Nancy's and bring up the fact that embryos are people too. But to explain their point of view, I have to take you on a little trip.
Come aboard the train of controversy.
When does life begin? To get stem cells that win, you must take an embryo that would have been your brother, sister, or distant kin. Extract the stem cells from within, and in the process destroying sin. You get 4 or 5 stem cells and a big grin, but you made a mortal sin. You have shown the darkness within. Into hell you will be thrown in. The eternal flames will begin, and they will never wear thin. Ah! But those are just opinions, Jeffrey, and they don't matter because opinions are stupid, and all that really counts in the end is the science.
Oh.
Well, this is our stop, so yeah, let's get going. Let's do it. Here we are, the stem cell machine. All right, Ragnarok, and you go.
Oh my god. Thank you, Barry. I never could have done... Huh?
I thank you, Jeffrey, for I am now complete. I am the Harbinger, Jeffrey. I am
Bum, 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 bum,
Bum bum.